Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how I edit my videos for YouTube using the Adobe Premiere Pro. Open the Adobe Premiere Pro software, click on New Project, type the name and the location. When the program opens up, you'll see 4 panels. The one on the top left is the source panel, the one on the top right is the program, the bottom left is the media panel, and the bottom right is the timeline panel. Go to the files that you want, drag them all and drop them in the media panel. Click on the clip that you want and drag it to the timeline panel. This cursor is used to move along the clip. The V1, V2, and V3 are for videos, and A1, A2, and A3 are for audio clips. If you want to edit a clip before moving it to the timeline, you grab it to the source panel, you move this cursor to the part that you want, and you press on I to start the clip, and then move to the end of the part that you want and press O. These 2 icons, the one on the left is for dragging video only, the one on the right is for dragging audio only. The razor tool is used for cutting clips. Now let's import an audio file. Drag it, drop it in the media panel, and then drag it to the timeline panel. As I mentioned before, the audio is placed in A1 and the video is placed in V1. Now you can move along the clip, you can trim it using the razor tool, you can mute the track. If you want to edit the picture quality of the video, we move to the media panel, click on New Item, Adjustment Layer, click OK, and then drag it on the top of the video. Now double click on it, choose Effects panel from the top, and then choose Lumetri Color. And edit the video and edit the quality until it suits you. Now back to the editing panel, you can now stretch the adjustment layer over the video and all effects will be applied. Now to add any transitions or effects to the video, we go to the Effects panel, Effects, Dissolve, Cross Dissolve, and then drag it and drop it on any section between 2 clips. Now we added a fade between the clips. We can use this bar to adjust the volume of the audio clip. Now let's add an image to the video. As usual, we grab it from the media panel to the timeline panel. If the image is not fit to the screen, we double click on it, right click, and then choose scale to frame size, and then we edit the image size until it suits you. Also move the audio clip, trim it. Now to add text, we click on the T icon, type the text that we want. Move the text and then click on Effect Controls on the left. In the Effect Controls, you can edit the text itself, you can edit the font size, the color, you can change the font, and you can even change the opacity. Now let's change the font. Changing the size of the font. We can move the text to any part of the video that we want. And now I'll show you a trick how to fade the text. On the top left panel, we'll move the cursor to the beginning of the clip. We go to opacity and we make it 0. And we move the cursor a little bit to the right, and then we make the opacity 100. This will add the fade in effect. Fade out, we move to the end of the clip, we make the opacity 100, and then we move a little bit to the right and make the opacity 0. Another way to add text is through a legacy title. Click on File, New Item, Legacy Title. Here we can add lines, text, and also of course edit the text font, size, color. Close it, and then we drag it from the media panel to the timeline panel. We can also use the same trick that I told you to create the fade effect. after the video is edited. To save it, click on File, Export, Media. On output name, you can choose the name and location of the video. And then we click on Export. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked the video, and please don't forget to subscribe.